Maybe you woke up this morning and thought, you know what? I want to do gymnastics. In this video, you're going to do basic skills and drills for the floor. Like, you know, rolls and cartwheels and stuff like that. I'm Coach Megan. So you want to learn a lunge. Arms up. This is a hollow body, squeezing, step forward. Just bend and try and hold it for 3 seconds like you're reaching forward. And you want to do that with both legs. Hips straight, never let your foot turn in. And then from there, you're just going to do a lever. Play your piano. So reach, your back leg goes up as the top leg, or as the top half goes. You're going to la la, la 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 la. Play that piano. Don't fall onto your hands. See if you can come up on the one leg. See my back leg's not touching the ground yet? Then put the foot down. Bend this knee, because a lot of kids, they go, whoa. So you really gotta, like someone's pushing you into the ground. I want you to do that on both legs. You can practice that every week. The more you do these, they're boring, but you have to do them because they lead into other tricks. So many tricks. Round off, front handsprings, front walkovers, cartwheels, just so many things. And remember, please don't do this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just pretending, but you could really hurt your wrist. There goes my headband. Okay, I gave up on the headband. It's really cute, but it's just not staying. It makes me feel like a gypsy. Okay, then you're gonna add a small hop. Lunge, always reach, and hands go down. You must look at your fingers. Little hop, land your foot close to your hands, and stand up. Get comfortable with that, keeping everything straight. You have to do both legs. I do maybe 5 of these, 3 to 5 times a week, along with the levers. And then you're gonna go on to handstands against the wall. And once again, 3 to 5 times a week with these. And remember to always start small and work your way up. So your hands go out pretty far. Even this far is fine. Pull your ribs in, walk those feet up the wall. And you want to squeeze everything. Squeeze your butt and your stomach and your just everything you could possibly squeeze. You don't want to be like this. And if you bend your arms, you're going to do the collapse thing. So really straight arms, push your shoulders, look at your hands or you will definitely fall. And we do not want to fall. Stare at those fingers. And then once you get more comfortable, you can take a little step closer and start with maybe 5 to 10 seconds and you can work your way up to 30. Okay, so for your forward roll, you just want to start in your squat position. You never ever want to go on the top of your head. You always want to go on the back of your head, just for safety. And you want to think of getting your head to the ground quick and your feet over. So as you lift your bum, here, stick your head in your stomach, okay? You just want to check out your belly button. Maybe you haven't seen it in a while. Lift it up, stick your head. See how my feet went over my head really quick? And get something soft, because the softer the surface, the safer you are. And remember, it's in the whole tutorial of my forward roll thing. That's just a quick, basic introduction for you. And then you can also do candlesticks. You can have your hands here, your feet straight up, squeezing your butt, or you can have your hands on your hips if you want. It's very, very relaxing, I must say. I mean, this is just great. Then you can get in a tuck position, tuck your chin, and just go ahead and tuck and roll like that. And then you can try and stand up, getting your feet to your bum, leaning forward, not using your hands. And then eventually you can add a jump and then sit and then go back and jump. Oh, these are so great. They're gonna make you so strong. Okay, and finally you can do a cartwheel over an elevated surface. So you can step. Remember to do your lungearoo here. Straight arms, turn your hands, look at your fingers, put them down. If you're just starting out, you always want to be in a straight line, but you can even move them slightly to the right of your foot This is if you're a righty. Look for your fingers. Make sure everything's all clear before you start. And what you're gonna lift up your back foot and you're gonna jump over the surface. A lot of people lean back like that. You wanna lean your shoulders forward. Stare at your fingers, and whatever foot is here in the back, that's the foot you wanna land on. Start small, and then your other foot needs to go back here too, because a lot of people forget about this foot. It wants to go to the party, so, you know, keep them in the loop. And then from there, pull your arms up as quick as you can, going into a lunge. And that was for a righty person. If you're a lefty, you're gonna wanna start with your left foot. Lunge, turn, look at the fingers, back leg up, and hop. Land on that back foot, and remember the other foot swings back here. Arms up, lunge. And then once you get more comfortable, you can start going, you know, a little bigger and bigger. Eventually you'll get all the way up, and then you can make the step halfway and then lose the step. Remember to look at your hands, don't bend your arms, and then you'll be safe. You can start here. When you get comfortable, you can even go right away. Step, back leg up. I'm trying not to kick anything. And lunge. And there you have it. And that is part 2 of the beginner gymnastics stuff. What should you do? Okay, thank you for joining me. Great job. Here is your end of the video trick. It's my standard press handstand. La la la. Don't worry. It just takes practice, 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 practice. It's like anything in life. You just gotta do it a lot of times. Thanks so much for joining me. And remember, you can download my app where all the videos are. So then it's easy to find. Okay, have a super zippy day. See you later.